This is the organics test. This is from Genova Metametrics. That's the name of the company. If you look on the test kit package, it says Metametrics on here, and it also says organics. If you look at our summary sheet here, you look at the section highlighted in Genova Metametrics. You can go down and you can see the urine test, organics. So this is a urine test. It's done at home. And this is your instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is you want to ship your sample within 48 hours. I prefer 24 hours or the next day ideally. You have to decrease your fluid intake to avoid diluting the urine. You have to restrict your fluid intake to 3 8 ounces of fluid within the 24 hours prior to doing this test. So that's all fluid, not just water. So for example, you would have 8 ounces of fluid in the morning, 8 ounces in the afternoon, 8 ounces in the evening. You also cannot have more than 8 ounces of fluid from 8 o'clock the night before you do this test. So make sure you do those restrictions at 24 hours prior. And for women, do not collect this urine test during your menstrual period. You're going to wake up first thing in the morning and you're going to take your urine sample. And what you're going to do is urinate into a cup. So you urinate into a cup, take your vial and take the top off of the vial. Hold on to the vial, it's very flimsy. Hold the vial, take your pipette over from the urine cup into the vial. Take it all the way to the top. Once you are done, put the cap on nice and tight. This will have a label on it with your name and date of birth. This is going to go immediately into the refrigerator. You can pre-freeze this freezer bag so you can transport this with your urine sample. This will go in this bag with the freezer bag when you ship. Close that up. This is going to ship FedEx. All the instructions are here on how to ship. The phone number is here for FedEx. You can call them up. They will come and pick this up direct from your home or your office, or you can drop the bag off at a FedEx box. This is your requisition form. You do not have to do anything with this. We will fill this out. This has to be in the travel box. And what you're going to do is take this FedEx bag. Up in this corner it says affix the label here. Take the address label, peel it off, put the sticker right on the bag. Make sure you write your return name, address, and phone number there. Open the bag. Make sure that you have the requisition form in the bag with the freezer bag to keep the urine cold, and your urine sample vial in here. Close this up. This is going to go into the FedEx bag. Peel this off, seal the bag. Make sure that your sticker return is right there, and put this in the refrigerator until you ship. Just call up FedEx, they'll come and pick it up or drop it off at a box. Okay, so if you are doing the organics test and the nutrient and toxic elements test, they're by Genova Metametrics. They're listed right on our summary sheet here. If you're doing both of those tests, then they can be done, and the preparation and the test can be done on the same day. They both have a restriction of no more than 3 8 ounces of fluid 24 hours prior to the test. They're both going to be shipped in the FedEx bag to Genova Metametrics. Both boxes will fit in this bag, and again, the preparation is the same for both of those. So if you prep 24 hours prior, 3 8 ounces of fluid, morning, afternoon, and evening, and then when you get up first thing in the morning, what you're going to do is your first morning urine is going to be your organics test. And then after that, every urine sample you're going to take for the next 8 hours is going to be your nutrient and element test. So that way, if you're doing both tests, Do them both on the same day.